Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man and Kenny out here in Mongo's garage. It's Sunday night. Looks like it is about 9:20 right now. We haven't set the clock for daylight savings time, so it says 10:20. KJ is checking to see if there's any transmission fluid in it. And there's a little bit in it. How many have you put in it so far?
A quart.
No, it's definitely gonna need way more than a quart.
Yeah.
So KJ was busy out here today. I stayed in and watched the Steelers actually win a game for once. But KJ's got this thing just about ready to start. We did hook power up to it today, but we are not getting any power to the starter to crank it or out to the ignition system. So I've got to get a wiring schematic for a 1973 Dodge Charger so that I can do some troubleshooting. There wasn't any fuses in any of the fuse blocks. KJ was up underneath of it and got all those put into it. And then we did some testing looking for power, and there was no power under there. Messing around with the main bulkhead connector at the firewall. The terminal was pushed out of the way. I got it back where it's supposed to be. But I need a schematic. I need to know what's going on here, where the power is supposed to be coming from and where it's going and how it gets there. There's a couple things under the dash that are cookied. Looks like there's one power wire that's just got completely fried at one point. So it's a little bit of menagerie going on there that I'm sure we're going to have to figure out. But KJ was busy today. What all did you do today, son?
Fuel line, drive shaft, total oil.
So the fuel line is back on it. I don't know if I can get down here. Shoot, there it is right there. All the way back.
Let's get the zip tie out of the way.
Goes all the way back to frame. Got the dry shaft on it. Got the tires and wheels back on it.
Don't like this. Have to fix that. So shove it back on there.
Have to get it shoved back up under, but we don't have any of the little clamps to hold it in place yet either. Got a little bit of oil in the transmission. Got oil in the engine now. Got the oil filter back on the engine. And like I said, we're going to be troubleshooting some wiring issues. Got the battery box back in it. Made up a negative cable there, just temporary. Like I said, now we have some wiring issues to figure out where power is coming from, get fuel up to the carburetor, and this thing should fire. Once we make it fire and we get it running half decent, we'll go ahead and get the accelerator cable hooked up, get the kick down linkage hooked up, and we have a shifter to install. And then once we get to that point, we're pretty much done with it. It's ready to go back to its owner, and he's going to finish the tinkering from there and hopefully get this thing sold. So that's kind of where we're at, what we've got going on. So we will see you guys soon. Sorry we didn't have the live tonight. We actually went to dinner with some family friends there, so we'll have to reschedule that here for an upcoming evening. So be on the lookout for when that's going to be rescheduled. For right now, Kenny and I, we're out of here. So, thanks for watching, guys, like we said, and we'll see you soon. Say bye to the people, KJ.
People.
See you guys later.